Now, dear student, till now we have designed our symbol for our toggle switch. Now it's time to switch our attention towards designing the footprint for that switch. For doing that, we have a footprint editor in our KiCad. So in this project manager, you can simply head towards the footprint editor by clicking on this footprint editor tool, and this will launch the footprint editor. So this is our front look of the footprint editor. This is one way to launch our footprint editor from the project manager. The other method is simply close this, and you can head towards the project PCB and just wait till it loads the PCB editor. This is our PCB editor. On the top toolbar, you can see over here create, delete and edit footprints. Click on this, and this will open up the footprint editor. Either way, this serves the same purpose. So let's just close this PCB editor and close our projects, and let's click on this footprint editor to launch this editor. So this is our front look of the footprint editor. On the left side pane, you can see over here that these are all the list of footprint libraries that we have in our KiCad. And on the left side of this library pane, right side of this library pane, you can see all the display options. On the very right side is the appearance, layers, objects, and these are all the stuff over here. In order to design your own footprint, the first thing you need to do is to create your footprint library. For doing that, go to file and click on the new library, and let's name this new library as get started, and this is now for footprint. Previously we have done it for symbols, so just name it get started footprint and save. It's just taking time to update the footprint libraries. Now you can see that on the left side we have this get started footprint, and you can currently see that there are no footprint added in this library, but other all have footprints. Like if I click on this heatsink drop down, you can see over here, if I double click on this will open up the footprint for this particular footprints. So over here on the get started, you see that I don't have any footprints. So simply click on this get started footprint, right click on this, and click on this new footprint, or hit Ctrl N. So over here enter the footprint name. Let's say we have a switch that is toggle, and that is single pole single throw, and is of manufacturer NKK, and have part number M2011S3A1, and just and the footprint type is through hole. Click on this through hole and hit OK. Now you can see on the left side we have added footprint in the footprint library with the name get started footprint.